Hey, we're going to make some hamburger patties. I've already got the ingredients in the meat. The ingredients are there on the screen. If you'd like to try it, there it is. This is what I used, and they taste fantastic. Hey, and we're going to be cooking these on the Weber Kettle. Now, as you notice, I'm using the old-time patty maker to make these hamburgers. Hey, that's what makes them taste good. Now, let's get through this with a little speed up. There's one thing about grilling outdoors. There are so many ways and techniques that you can get a different taste every time. And the thing about it, all of them taste fantastic. And you know, each outdoor appliance that we grill outdoors or cook outdoors or smoke outdoor, each one is going to give it its own flavors, and they're all fantastic. Well, I'm sorry it took so long to get the kettle fired up. Now we're going to start off using indirect heat. What I like about using indirect heat is if you got other things you're having to prepare and get ready, you can set this on there, indirect heat. They're going to cook. They're going to be fine. Now I even flip them when I'm using indirect heat. And you probably don't need to, you don't have to, but that's just me, because we're going to put them over the coals here in a little bit. And it looks like we're steady at 350 degrees. Now it's been about 5 or 6 minutes, and we're going to give them a flip and let them cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now we'll move them over direct heat and finish up these burgers. Oh, listen to that shh. Sounds good. And we have 3 more patties we need to finish, making us a total of 10 patties. I'll tell you what, these burgers smell fantastic. Now look at all that flavor that came out when I opened the lid. Oh, yeah. Well, a toss here and a turn there and a little more right there. And these are going to be done here just in a short order. And we're just checking them, make sure they're done inside. We have a lot of folks that like them done, and I like them done. I don't mind them being a little pink to medium rare. Sometimes, but I really prefer them done. And of course, that's to everyone's own taste. Well, I think it's time for these to come off. And I believe these are going to taste mighty larrapin'. And what better way to extinguish the fire is to shut off the air. I believe it's burger making time. Hey, that looks good. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.